Welcome back to the channel, Auto Pulse 2025. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true workhorse in the world of agriculture, the John Deere 8520. Whether you're a farmer, a machinery enthusiast, or just someone who loves powerful machines, this video is for you. The John Deere 8520 is a symbol of reliability, strength, and advanced engineering, and it's been a favorite among farmers for years. The 8520 is part of the 8000 series from John Deere, which is known for combining comfort, power, and precision in one robust package. This model was produced in the early 2000s but continues to be a trusted choice on farms around the world even today. Under the hood, the John Deere 8520 is powered by a 9.0-liter, 6-cylinder PowerTech diesel engine that delivers around 275 horsepower. With a boost function, that number can climb even higher, giving it the strength needed for heavy-duty fieldwork, pulling implements, or powering equipment through difficult conditions. One of the standout features of the 8520 is its power and torque delivery. The engine is designed to provide maximum efficiency and reduced fuel consumption, which is key for those long days in the field. Mated to the engine is a full power-shift transmission, offering 16 forward and 4 reverse speeds. This gives the operator precise control over speed and performance, whether they're plowing, planting, or transporting materials. Another impressive feature is the tractor's hydraulic system. With a high-capacity pump, it delivers excellent hydraulic power for a wide range of implements. This makes it ideal for multi-use operations where versatility is a must. The 3-point hitch at the rear offers strong lifting capacity, making it suitable for heavy tillage tools, planters, and other large equipment. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The John Deere 8520 comes with a spacious, air-conditioned cab with great visibility, ergonomic controls, and a suspension seat to reduce fatigue during long hours of operation. Noise insulation is also well handled, keeping the cab relatively quiet despite the power of the engine. For night work, the tractor includes powerful lighting all around to ensure visibility and safety during late hours. The tractor also offers advanced technology options for its time, including AutoTrack, John Deere's GPS-based guidance system. While modern tractors have evolved further with precision farming, the 8520 already offered the foundation for automated steering and more efficient field operations, reducing overlap and saving fuel and time. Another key point to consider is the build quality and durability of the 8520. Its heavy-duty frame, solid construction, and well-proven components make it one of the more dependable tractors from John Deere. Many units have clocked thousands of hours and are still running strong, which is a testament to its design and engineering. Maintenance is straightforward on the 8520. Daily checks and routine servicing are made easier with accessible components, clear diagnostics, and support from John Deere's wide dealer network. From engine oil to filters and hydraulic systems, everything is designed for efficiency and ease of service. That means less downtime and more time in the field, where this machine truly shines. In terms of tires and traction, the 8520 often comes with dual rear wheels and can be equipped with front duals for increased grip and flotation. This is especially useful for large-scale operations in soft or uneven terrain. The integrated front suspension system also improves ride quality and reduces operator fatigue while enhancing traction and stability during transport and field operations. For anyone considering a used John Deere 8520 today, it still holds strong value. Its proven performance, high horsepower, and dependability make it a sought-after machine on the used equipment market. Parts availability remains strong, and many aftermarket options are available, which helps in keeping operational costs under control. So, whether you're managing a large farm or looking for a reliable, high-performance tractor for custom work, the John Deere 8520 is a machine that delivers. It's built tough, performs consistently, and offers a level of comfort and technology that made it ahead of its time when it was released, and still relevant today. Thanks for watching Auto Pulse 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on farming machinery, tractor reviews, and field demonstrations. Drop a comment below if you've worked with the 8520 or have questions about it. We'll see you in the next video.